All right, I'm here to service my Rolls-Royce Ghost, and this is the service center. There is only one in the whole of Michigan, and they service Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Aston Martins, McLaren, Maserati, and mostly exotic cars. So this is the service lane. So I'm gonna go inside and see. And of course, you can see some Bentleys here parked. Let me see a Rolls-Royce. It says employees only. Permanent. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Morning. I have an 8 o'clock appointment
Sounds good.
to service, change oil for this.
So I'll just have you pull in. If you pull up to that door, it'll open automatically.
This door here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.